How to change your age on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can update or change your age information on Discord. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open your preferred web browser. And now here, once you are inside the web browser, then you simply have to click on the search bar and simply search for the Discord support and simply search for it. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link, and after that, you'll see the interface like this. Now here, once you're inside the official Discord support website, you simply have to log in with your account which you want to change your age to, and after that you simply have to go to the top, and there you simply have to click on submit a request option. And after that, on the new page, you simply have to click on the box under the option that says, what can we help you with? So here, simply click on it. And now here from the drop down menu, simply scroll down and select appeals and age update request. And after that, tons of options will appear below. So here you have to customize the answers according to your need. So here, simply scroll down, and there you simply have to click on the option that says, how can we help you with? And here in this section, you simply have to click on this option that says update my age information. And here under that option, you'll see phone number option. So here, if you'd like, you can put enter your phone number as well, but that's totally optional. And with that, you can also enter your server ID. And after that, on the next box, you have to enter the date of your birth. So simply enter the date of your birth. And after that, on the next box, you simply have to click on it. And there on the subject, you simply have to type in age update my age. So here you can write it on your own language, and after that, on the description you can describe about the reasons for you to update your age, and this will ensure a clearance between the support system and your account. And after that, you can simply check the box, and here on the attachment section you can attach the file to prove your age as well. Like here, you can put your birth certificates, your citizenship photos as well. And once you're done with it, you simply have to click on submit. And now, here, once you click on submit, then your request will be sent to Discord Trust and Safety Team. And with that, they will guide you. And if your documentation are legit, they will update your age after verifying your information as well. And that's it. That's how you can change your age on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.